Hey guys, this is Kurt Henninger, and in this video today what I wanted to show you is how simple it really is to work inside of a blog and actually create a blog post. This is the front page of one of my blogs, and I'm actually going to take you inside one of my blogs and show you how simple it is to actually create a blog post. Okay, so this is inside my blog right now. And I'm in something called the dashboard. It's just kind of where you manage everything for your blog. And I'm going to show you actually how to do a blog post here. So here we go. Click on there should be, and this is a WordPress blog specifically. Okay, so just click on the right button, and it might take a second to come up, and it automatically goes to writing a post. Okay, you can write pages as well. The first thing you want to do is put a title in. So here is my title for my blog post. Okay, that's as simple as it has to be. When you get into a little bit more, you're going to want to choose specific titles for the content that you're putting out. Okay, and here it's just like typing something on the computer, a Word document. Here is the text for my blog post. Come see me here and learn from me. Okay, and literally, I mean, you can, and there's a couple other things you can put tags in here. And really, what a tag is, it is if you put a specific tag, the internet is very keyword driven, and if you put a specific something known as a tag, and this is a little bit more of an advanced topic, which you don't have to do, okay, you could leave it completely blank if you wanted to, but if you put a specific tag in there and just click on the add button, it would make it make it easier for people to find on a search engine. I'll just leave it at that. Okay, and there's one other thing I want to show you, something really important that you want to know how to do on a blog post. Okay, and that is how to create something called a hyperlink. Okay, and all I do to create a hyperlink, okay, just highlight the words I wanna make clickable. Okay, and there's a little chain right here, and see how the little thing popped up, insert edit link. Click on there, and oops. Okay, and I just typed in the website I want people to go to when they click on that particular blog post. Okay, and this is one of my websites, and I just click insert, and boom, it's right there. Once I publish this blog post, when people are looking at it and they click on that link, they automatically go to that website. Okay, really useful feature, and that is literally as complicated as it has to be. Now you can put pictures in here, you can put videos in here, you can copy and paste HTML code in here, but the last thing you need to do is just go ahead and click this publish button. Okay, and let's go take a look at what this would look like if we were to go publish it. Okay, see, there's the title that we talked about. Okay, and that's it right there. Okay, so and that's as complicated as it has to be. The last thing you just do is click publish, and boom, it's out there on the internet. Okay, again, I really think blogging is really important if you're in online multi-level marketing or network marketing, or even if you're not, just for a great way to get information out there, and to start brand yourself as as an expert, and for people really to start looking for your the more content you have out there, the more people are going to look to you for information. This is Kurt Henninger. I hope you got something out of this. Have a good day.